Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete all your TikTok posts using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. Open your TikTok app and then go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the video that you want to delete. So for example, this one. And as you can see here at the lower right side of my screen, there's a 3 little dots. So I just want to click on that. And you want to scroll here or swipe the lower part of it until you see the bin button or the delete option. Okay, so just go ahead and click that and click delete. And now you just want to do that in all of the videos that you want to delete. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.